So we all know that customer relationship gets maintained by what? The sales team and marketing team, right? So we need to bound them together. For that reason, these many are the clouds are there in Salesforce. Like the sales team can have the sales cloud, for marketing purpose they have marketing cloud, and each of them has a different objects, the Salesforce objects. Okay, so this was the basic idea for the Salesforce. Like, what is Salesforce, why we used it. So let's check what are the editions which are provided by Salesforce. So there is a developer edition, unlimited edition, enterprise, professional, pursuit, starter, and essentials. Each of them has a different functionality provided with it. So we will be working on developer edition. And which cloud? Sales cloud. Because the developer edition will be free of cost for us to learn Salesforce. It has some minor changes, like some minor limitations to major limitations. Like you can just have like limited access, like limited licenses of the system admin, right? So if we go like to the different editions, then it will vary the number of licenses, the number of functionalities, the flexibilities, right? But tools will be same. So if you learn this developer edition, you are definitely going to use them in these different editions. So that is why Salesforce kept this developer edition to grow the number of developers or admins in terms of their career opportunities, so that they can hire multiple developers, multiple admins for the Salesforce. Are we clear until now? So let's move ahead. So why we are choosing the Salesforce? Like, what on earth we should choose an Salesforce admin? What are the career opportunities for them?